If you would like to remove a user account from Windows 11 other than the one that you are currently logged into, right-click on the Start button and click on Settings. You'll have to be logged in as an administrator to do this, by the way. Then you're going to go to Accounts on the left-hand side. And you can scroll down until you see Other Users and expand that area, the little arrow on the right. Now here you'll see a list of other users if there are any, and we do have one here called Tutorials. So I click on that name and I can click on Remove in the lower right. Now it gives you the warning, of course, delete account and data. We've got their choice to do so or not. Of course, that's what we want to do. So click on delete account and data and then give it some time to operate. Now, if the account has been around for a while and there's lots of temporary files, etc., and content for that individual, that could take quite a while to work. So give it time. But in this case, it was a very new and unused account, and as you see, it disappeared quickly.